ihe a na-emekwu na ndị be anyị bụ nwaanyị ya chọrọ unite bụ nwaanyị eziokwu. Gịnị na ihe gọọmenti tinyere anyị n'ime ka anyị meta? They did it. And I don't know whether they know that the counter reaction would be, and they did it intentionally, or they did it without knowing that this thing would be the counter reaction. Here has made some community affairs this war, they are probably like guerrilla war. I declare a war and a full-time war. Every community in Igbo land will be feeling the heat of the war. All Biafran education I know all campus must be after they will try to cut off the head of the struggle, which is not in the cannot they detain illegally. Boys men under one command were Basafia. I must see how this thing started. So I think it's one of the two emotional. No more don't decide you can make it more. We all know how this thing started. I don't know when it's anything but that mixing word, how it started. I cannot leave I started this agitation with the flag and microphone. And they were doing shot on target. I'm a mother na target of men and poor people and poor. We are not opportunity to see their scores. We go about a chemical. People that came just to radio catapult marker. So when you start doing this thing, behaving like this to people, when they IG can't die more, but I told you about here. This is the result we have today. On that, the people will go to trouble. Because when you think this thing is a small thing, and every day they recruit new people. Government demanding on the not terrorists and unknown government. They know the about status. People you will and they know what they are supposed to do to stop these things in the village.
So what are they supposed to do?
This thing.
What are they supposed to do? Say it here. What are they what is the government supposed to do?
Yes. Like Imo State problem to go to yes, Imo State problem the exceptional. Based on the governor of the Akwechiri, not that people in UK. Okwechiri not that people in UK can give Imo State is exceptional. Authority by virtue of normal election and process, due process. They don't want to speak what is destroying their community. They also have been resistant because it's not how they destroy the community. If I need to do my guy, is very comfortable with him. The problem when military come and engage with them, that is when that community start having problem. So what is you? I have been to those communities. That's and when we're getting more this guy is in South Africa. I'm not or something. I'm not in the just a North and you outside the guy compound. The government go to play for 7 months. Or 7 like a it's not these are them. Those communities, then they know that they are not disturbing them. Those people in that community, they position here and they are there peacefully with them. Problem is when the military came in for engagement, then we march. That is when that community starts having this. He also went there and I have a criminal. How would you have to know where? They will have a successful day. How many times have you had them where just moving a bank? When I buy a program guy, I cannot fight our own. Oh, when the buyer, I just want to fight the buyer and remember how a problem. Onye pụtasị m na ya ji fụkwa skọọlụ mmadụ na skọọlụ niile nke ndị ọbụ skọọlụ gị onye efu iji skọọlụ onye ndị ebube agụ bụrụ ndị obute ha bụ ụmụ ọma ha na ha na-agba maachị egbukpuru isi ha nwetakwa ndị ebube agụ egbukpuru isi ihe abụrụ two people fighting for two services. How can somebody come and call it criminality? Onye a ji egbe ọ bụrụ criminality na criminality bụ na iji egbe pụta na-agbapụtụ people ejiri egbe onye a bụ terrorism. Terrorism I cannot associate terrorism as government without coming to that create a problem. If you know high time they all one dear with create problem. He actually government in here was right to peace with 2015. Over you put that lot at Anakanabadi, who chip up with you. Get here with create a problem. Talk with here way. I solve the problem. So I'm not having the idea. Unfortunately, now went to elephant fight, classes must suffer. That is suffer now when a community say, oh my kind of way. That is normal counter reaction or you perceivable. Kaya Baba in the Bible, but I don't want to comment your work. Thank God, what was on Macania? He is part of the head on a meeting where he work. I'm not know what I coordinate with that Southeast, the role of this Southeast meeting. Because they want to work with you, and maybe he's benefiting from the problem. I don't know. But whatever it is, we will direct to the government. All what I call the attention of both the federal and everything. How to go down the kind of thing. Yeah, Natalia is the other. This boy is supposed to start. Did not coordinate and listen. Then I am only here to guy in Aka. Then I won't have any of Biafra. They release my giving Biafra. Because even Nigeria, you know, I go and give you. Only I know what I need here.
I want a question on question. In your own community, your house or Oguzo now, your house. Is your house standing? Your private building in your own community, is it standing?
Yes, it's standing.
If that house is destroyed because somebody misinterpreted you and quoted you to be a Sabo, how will you feel?
The point is, are you Sabo? I'm going to go to Biafra and not get on the radio and they put the Zoom must fall. The Zoom must fall. Funny by an artist, they think it's a comedy. They put the Zoom must fall. The Zoom must fall. It's not a China called Ghana. It's like the Zoom must fall. We had a Congo. Only see I can the Zoom must fall Ghana.
Okay,
we have people who be support. They put us here. They only do no movement. It's not that matter. But don't you know what I can buy them? Only this will be coming. All after that, they complain.
Brother, my brother, I want a question to ask. Oyeka, I want a question.
Answer me.
It's about the same. Yes. Then why must the war start in Imo State? Why must it start from Imo State? Why OGB don't Imo?
I even give them and many have college for holding this thing for over years without extra support. Because a lot of states have collapsed. By this nature of this thing now, a lot of states have collapsed. All collapsed, other states collapse. They collapse. My name was said to go to because soon my boys on the boon not there, on the boon them here, the boon is weak. It's out on this of if all boys not there, all boys are on this of not there. On the also and there are different people and there are our people.
I want to have to joke now.
Other states could just sustain their own branches. Not mean that I can't get the motivating case of them. And they have a very bad way of elected very bad structure of government that brought their governor.
Yeah, this is your number now. Call on our WhatsApp. Okay. Yes, I can talk popular with your WhatsApp number so that nga forward certain videos. Do you believe all the good name burial in our communities in Imo State? Part of that, like that Omaka, I see the people they will pay money before he may burial, and even if they pay money, their friends will not come. People will not come because you will not go.
Okay.
You are the good.
You are giving me a report. I've had something related to this.
Okay.
They were not official. How was the official? How about another body moved from IPOB? When I see that the kind of fundraising is making this struggle, by virtue of like I interrupt to the movement, all the people who are there to put on their name here, name also in our name now, we're not for the struggle. So if they capture a community and want to dictate what happens in that community, my brother is their right. They may go and see them. Family and Ludo, how about the security there? Even if you go like I am here, I'm going to 5 million or the bond down all your people. Now, then 500,000, you cannot go around when good that people money changing. You go to another college. You don't have problem with them. They don't have problem. They just come very alone. That's very alone. They settle them and then we are there. They can be. I'm not there.
Abu check 47 be burial ahụ.
Hello?
And the book 47 be the burial.
Is it the drinking what?
As him ha biara the burial listen na ha nọcha there as security. So ha bụ check 47 be there. My brother. Okay. I want to answer you this thing now. I want to say this straight. Mobula ndi Igbo niile in general who make up their mind and their decision that this is what they want to fight for. Imo will not be left aside because Anyaburu ndi Hausa. But I turn our state, a particular side in our state, I turn to war zone. I know to say like this, the traditional rulers are to Posia in a village, Nahabu Sabo. At what extent can Haji Buro Sabo?
That same village when
the Cabinia. Okay, for example, now you heard the story of Okurora, right?
I heard the story.
You heard the story of Okurora. Okurora, ega only they withdraw an account here. Ebo Barezo Madondo, one of us. Ofo Yenimendimo, God Barezondo. This guy can comfortably stay in Enugu without even coming for our aid. And whether you like it or not, currently as I speak to you now in Imo State, Anyewe who leader. Who leadership at all. Now the people are surviving by the virtues of their own personal struggles. Now, no state assembly member talks about it. No federal house of representative member talks about it. The people they just aren't us panic and war like that. Then happy Imo State. Our parents, brother, they are
and now we're not talking. They rushed and called these people terrorists when they were not terrorists. So now the people are go out for the combat.
My brother,
those house of assembly in Nigeria will not come. How and how target of these people? You can
my brother, lay hanyu wabundi moneku, anyu wabundi mo. Anya de here against ndi Igbo ibe anyi. Anya see anybody there with Biafra. If photo is need to become Korea. Now because my father were product of the Biafran struggle. My grandfathers they fought for it. But all the same, Agatono Kebu Shizi Anyincha. In their collectiveness decide that tomorrow that now if you come to Imo State, many of us I never respected the seat at home on the 30th of May. Believe me, but that even civil servant they respect it. Anybody in our force, what a zone we can go to anywhere we like. But we try to respect that just to pay that sign of respect to our forefathers. Maybe she's lying now our place name. Where's this school? No, the kind of pictures and they post to you see little children of 14 years, 13 years, but they get K47. By experience, that's a child abuse. They will not have control and regulation.
All the horrible, I'm seeing those things.
My brother,
all the pressure the government to mount on those people.
My brother,
they are also struggling to survive. They will refuse anything to survive.
No.
The game was in control by no one get control. And when government had them at hand, they had dialogue. They decide to go the way of shooting and arresting and kidnapping people. Now, I want to come to Maka and put body as a celebrity. Continue on. I can volunteer myself to go. Macedonia kedu onye dị ya meet wee gwa ya na ka anyị butuzie esi otu a n'anya ma ọ butuo who will I meet and talk on ihe ị ga-eme ka this thing kwụsị. When they had the head of this trouble at their banks and how you negotiate this thing, they started a few
my brother, there are people to meet. And when the people to meet na Imo State, Imo State, you know people to meet. You know people to meet. And when that game meet, this thing, now, somebody like me, I say, they can't afford that place. And then moral, to do bar plane, funded myself, J court, 3 times. I did. But my brother, people should not also take advantage of maybe his absence. Now maybe as I speak to you now, so schools are not functional. School. Or every family with the money to afford relocating their families out of us. So children are still there. My brother, how will you feel? You want to say 12 years, no, how will you feel?